round two, switching sides.
Nice and soft.
Yep.
Why are you wearing a cape?
Because he's that Because he's that
You're gonna go be scum? Hey!
One more! Hey!
It's all good. It's all good. We got it.
We can literally walk there in a minute, and they won't be there yet.
Unless
Unless
they
they
do
do
go
what we
around
did.
hospital, or we gotta go that way? Which way are you going? That way? You're gonna go that way?
Which way are you going?
Probably that way.
I'm
Did you
thinking
cut your
about-
camera
All right,
already?
everyone.
I turned it
As
back
soon as the
on.
round starts, move up as far as you can so that we have as much ground as possible. The more room we have, the more leisure we have to lose it, I guess.
Round two. Defending.
Defend the bank.
Get the fluffy stuff out of the camera way. Which way are you going?
I was thinking about sitting on the other side by bank, corner of bank, and shooting.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn my hop all the way up and go over there in those crates and just shoot them on the edge of the bank.
Dude, CQB. Go get the bank. How you doing on ammo?
I've only gone for one mag, so I have 4.
Which one did you use already?
Oh, I like that.
So there's no actual tension on it.
No,
it's just,
but
it's just
they go
friction.
all the way through. I also have
So the
a
only thing that stops it from dropping is the mag lip then, right?
kind of
Yeah, but what if you like tumble and then they all?
He
saw.
fucking barrel rolled on the ground and he was fine. Although I'm sure that felt really great in your stomach and ribs, but...
I have them when I'm not using or loading. I usually like that.
Yeah. Yep.
And then I have a different prototype in my backpack which does lock them in, but they're not good for radiation.
Let me know if you think of something for M4 mags.
Yeah, I'll show you after.
I'll test it out. And AK mags. I'm actually looking for... Because my dude who's doing Kydex for me isn't doing Kydex now. So I kind of need to get my money back from him. I'll pay you for some of that stuff for sure.
When we go back, remind me to show you my other model.
Are you able to get different colors besides black? Like, can you do
Yeah, I
OD,
do any colors.
and all that? Okay.
The other
No
model,
camo though, right?
I can if you find a multicolor.
Let me just see in the sniper
I
trial.
don't know
Holy
any of that stuff, but you
fucking
can
shit.
look into that. I'm really interested.
There
other one
is
it comes
definitely
right
just
here,
pulled
right?
out a
Except it
samurai.
actually locks in. There's a part later.
What I went to blast camp. There's this guy who uses a sword as a melee.
How is it retention though?
It works.
How does it do
Yeah.
that?
I like the feeling of this little grip of the knife. It like
Oh, okay,
feels
so it just,
I
it's
got
kinda
this
like a
knife for
funnel,
free.
right?
The
Like a
gnarling.
beak, sorta.
I'll show you. You'll see. Like
It just feels good to rub my thumb on it.
I'm saying you like the
These
gnarling.
ones, of course, you can.
That's what
These
that
aren't gonna
texture
fall
is
out,
called.
and I never move
Jump
my
up and
bow.
down. Real quick.
It's a training knife.
Yes.
That's a little
Put that on my
sketch.
Glock. I have a
They
Dremel.
haven't fallen out. Yeah, of course.
I'm gonna.
I mean, you're not. If you do a somersault, them bitches are coming out. But
Yay!
Bro, what open top? Not.
This is what you're supposed to. Stop it!
yeah, that is true.
Look how close I am.
Nice, nice, nice. Very nice, very nice. I'm getting it all on camera. Just
Good
so you
start.
All right, we're gonna redo it.
know. All right, take 2. Oh, look at that. That's quite quick. All right, let me try insert. That's nice. That's nice. Are you going that way?
Yeah, I was hoping to speed
Our
stuff.
balls are sweating so bad.
Yeah, next time I'm probably just gonna run that dump pouch. Hey, I shot my shadow. That must hurt him.
There you go.
Try to get people on the bank.
You guys up north by church? Tango's going to church.
I saw a PB just fly into you. Oh, okay. I didn't feel anything. Sorry for being a douche and calling it out, but I was like, holy shit. I appreciate it. I do. Is there anybody? I'm
I can cover you if you want to cross.
Oh shit, hold on. Oh shit, these right there too. The doorway.
The doorway for that building?
Got him.
I'll get further back and I'll give you some cover.
I'll follow you.
All right, dude, if you want to make a move. Don't move. Dude, no way am I not hitting those ankles. No fucking way. Yeah, I see you moving. And I'm pretty sure gas blowback ain't supposed to do that. Heads up north! If you want to move, move now. Oh. Trenches, left trenches.
I saw them right. Very far. Oh, hey.
Hey, look out those dirt mounds over there. People are hiding behind the dirt mounds. Be careful.
Like you just sit here like this and you're literally invincible. Someone throws a grenade in here, we're all
Can we
fucked.
walk inside of the
Yeah.
wall?
No, someone's coming on top of you like Captain America. You're
No,
up.
you can't go in there.
Dang it.
Technically, there's a door there and you can't go. Even when it's down, no one can go in there but the other team.
Damn. Man, I should have
Why do you have a riot shield?
What?
Why do you have a riot shield?
So I don't get shot because I'm a ref. I'm not playing. You know.
You're not supposed
Just realized it.
to do that.
Yeah, no.
So you got a shotgunner and
A pistoler.
You got a pistol, you got a shotgun, you got a sniper.
No,
DMR
cap gun. Cap gun, better.
Oh, got another DMR. 450 FPS on full CO2.
Cap gun, better.
Can't use that though.
Yeah, it's for fun.
Yeah.
I like the
More
noise.
for bang shots, you know.
I just peeked in. We got about 10 grand.
It's more for this.
Just go, if you don't want to shoot somebody, just go up it. You're dead.
Let me just like stick my arm out the window and like go around.
Hey, there's a lot coming trenches. Watch it.
Oh crap.
That's it.
A lot coming trenches.
You know what they should do? Put a little freaking window wipers.
some watch there, some watch behind. I'll just watch. Not much you can do with Shoddy, man.
Yeah, go get him, boys.
Use a pistol.
Yeah. I mean, screw it. This is gonna work better at close range. We have to push up on trenches. They're taking us.
You're gonna seek him out. Just calling you out like.
In blue! In blue? One in blue!
One of our guys in blue. Push up.
Friendly in blue? Yeah. Friendly in blue!
Hey Gio, how long do you want to run this game?
Well, it's almost 4.
Alright, sounds good.
I mean, I can make it worth your while.
You know, what time is it?
It's a slam shot.
3:34.
Came after lunch and I didn't play the match.
Where's your wristband, kid? Where's your wristband? Huh? Where's your tag on your gun?
steel toe, buddy.
Ooh, hey.
Yours are though.
Mine are hard toe.
What's the difference?
Mine don't have steel, they're just stiff.
Mine's hard toe.
Mine's probably just like very hard.
My
block.
toe's hard. I've dropped steel on it. No.
Shoot in the back of the neck.
You wanna play these games, boy?
Oh, shit.
I'm out. You wanna play these games?
Your arm is gonna keep showing.
You guys always focus. Hey, don't test me. I'll do double.